Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a TikTok something went wrong, try again later. So guys, if you open your TikTok app and facing this type of issue, something went wrong, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So here you can see I am facing this issue when I am clicking on retry. So here you can see I am facing this issue again and again. So how can you fix it? So let's start. So first of all, you need to go back, and after this you need to open your settings, click on settings. So after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your phone is connected with Wi-Fi. So first of all I am connecting with Wi-Fi. So if you have Wi-Fi then you need to connect it. So if do not have Wi-Fi then you need to connect with mobile data. And after doing this you need to go back and check that problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem and not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings again, and after this scroll it down, and here is the option of app management. You can see here, you need to click here, and after this click on app list, and here you need to find TikTok app. So find a TikTok. So click on TikTok, and here is the app of TikTok. You need to click here, and after this here is the option of storage and cache. You need to click here and click on clear cache. Here is the at downside right corner is the option of clear cache. You need to click here, and after doing this you need to go back and check that problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then you need to open your settings again, and after this scroll it down, click on system, and after this here is the option of reset phone. You need to click here and click on reset Wi-Fi settings and click on reset, and after doing reset your problem is fixed and you will be able to open your TikTok app. So go and check that your app is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then you need to open your Play Store app and search here TikTok, search it and click on TikTok, and make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So now I am checking that my problem is fixed or not. So when I am clicking on TikTok, so here you can see now my TikTok app is opened. So here you can see, so by doing this method you will be able to open your TikTok. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.